It was good, Charles, your boy JAIRF here. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do dark melodies just like PVLACE does. This is how the melody sounds. Alright, first what you want to do is get a one-shot bell. Go, in this case, I'm in C# minor, so I went to helper, scale highlighting, C# minor, and I went on 1/3 beat grid. This is how the pattern sounds without effects. So basically what you want to have is like pattern that's really repetitive and dark, and bounce. The bounce is really important, that's why I choose 1/3 beat. So basically stay always in key, and it's really simple, to be honest. This is how it sounds with effects on. So basically what I have here is an EQs with the lows and the harsh frequencies, a lot of reverb, and this is the source right here. Go to presets, commentary, and 2x speed, and it's gonna have that effect. That's gonna be twice as fast as you had it. Then I added this flute. This is how it sounds. This is from Contact, and basically just stay on key, and I didn't use many notes on this. Maybe it is kind of roll, I say, but no, I went on 1/6 beat. That's still triplets. It's really simple. In the mixer for this flute, I just cut the lows and put some reverb on it. Lastly, I added this one-shot bass. This is how it sounds. Really simple. I just first follow the root notes and play with the 5th note on the scale, so it's gonna sound good. And then I pitch it up 1. It's like if you pitch it down 4, but it was too low, so I pitched it up 1 octave and did this passing notes to get back to the C sharp. The mixer for this, I just cut the lows, the very lows, and the highs. And lastly, I added a halftime, so it sounds like this. So yeah, that's basically all. Hope y'all like the video, you know what I'm saying. Subscribe, like, tell me what tutorials you want to see next. Follow Drum Knockers on IG, and don't forget to be on the Patreon, bro. $10 a month. You're gonna be teached by us, and see you on the next one.
That's T-Will on them beats.
Hey, Jeff, you crazy.
Hey, yo, Swifty.